Welcome to English class, English grammar for beginners. In this video, you will learn how to ask questions using does have and do have. Let's do some examples. Example number 1. Does he have a car? In this sentence, in the beginning we use does and then we use he. We use he, she and it with does have. More examples. Does she have a car? Does it have a house? We use he for boys and men, and we use she for girls and women, and we use it for an animal. Now let's get back. Example number 1. Does he have a car? If the answer is yes, so you can say yes, he does. That means he has a car. And if your answer is no, so you can say no, he doesn't. Doesn't is a contraction of does not. More examples. Does he have a bike? Yes, he does. Does she have a doll? No, she doesn't. Use of do have. Look at this example. Do you have a bag? In this sentence, we use do in the beginning. So we use do with I, we, you, and they. For example, do you have a bag? Do we have a bag? Do they have a bag? Do I have a bag? For example, if you ask someone, do you have a bag? If the answer is yes, so he or she can say, yes, I do. If the answer is no, you can say, no, I don't. Don't is a contraction of do not. More examples. Do we have some money? No, we don't. Do they have a room? Yes, they do. Do you have some food? Yes, I do. Do I have a mobile phone? Yes, I do. Quiz time. Now it's your turn to practice. Fill in the blanks. Sentence number 1. Does blank have a bike? Which word should we use? I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He. Does he have a bike? Sentence number 2. Do blank have a car? Which word should we use? We or she? I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We. Do we have a car? Sentence number 3. Blank, she have a dress. Which word should we use? Do or does? I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Does. Does she have a dress? Sentence number 4. Blank, they have 2 bikes. Which word should we use? Do or does? I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do. Do they have 2 bikes?